Eli, I love you. I was smitten the moment we met. You in your new blue shirt in Sarah and Josh's kitchen. You were kind and funny, and the way you looked into my eyes when we talked made me feel seen and heard like I had never been before. Eli, you are my air when I can't breathe. You are exactly who you say you are. You love me well and fiercely. You are patient with me, and you are everything you promised you would be. Thank you for knowing I am so much more than my worst moments. I promise to always do the same. I can't wait to continue to grow with you, my love. It's my honor.
They could say they've seen the highest mountain, bottom of the deepest sea, but no one's ever seen a love like this. They could dig up all the baby treasures where it's worth more than anything, but no one's ever seen a love like this.
I fell in love with your heart. You are the kindest, most loving person I know. I'm so lucky to have your love. You wear your heart on your sleeve, even on your bad days. Your love is always there. Whether it's for me, your family, your friends, or your students, you're always there for them. You are such a bright light in so many people's lives. I am very lucky. I can't wait to see what our future holds. I can't wait for the memories we will make, and I can't wait to grow our family. I love you so much.